get questions all the time about how to fold tiny, teeny pocket squares. Well, you know what? We have the answer to that. First and foremost, it starts with our patented product, the best pocket square holder. This is a problem solver. You're gonna love it. Now, check this out. Here's a cool fold that you can do. We call it the 4-point sway. It simply starts off like this. You start out with a triangle, all right? I'm just hanging on to this back one just to hang on to it for purposes here. We're gonna let go of the back. I wanna take this point, fold it in half, and we're gonna lay it up here to the top of the other point, offsetting it by 1 inch. We do the same thing with point number 3, and here we go, point number 4. So there you go, see those 4 points. Some people style them going straight up. We're gonna sway these to the right. So now lean those over to the side. Look at this line right here. You want that to be horizontal. And now we take this and sway it to the back like that. So we hang on to this. Now we bring the best pocket square holder into the picture. Remember, it's deep down to the bottom. Once you get that in there this way, exaggerating this way, now we can manipulate it any way we like. So I hang on to this side so it doesn't move. I tug these tails to the right. Just tug them to the right. I get all 4 fingers in here like this and pull those to the right. Look at that. They're going to look like bird feathers. Now remember, before you put it in the pocket, consider this does need to sit at the bottom of your jacket pocket in order to make sure it doesn't move. So here we go. So we insert this right inside there. Remember, resting along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket. You make a couple of last adjustments, and there you go. That is the 4-point sway, only made possible with the best pocket square holder. But remember, if we have people who have smaller, more narrow pockets, we also invented the best pocket square holder slim edition. Okay, so pick your poison, whichever way you want to solve the problem. It's made possible here by the best pocket square holder. Get yours today at any participating location or visit our website at bestpocketsquareholder.com.